In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to your broker in TradingView. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline their trading experience by managing everything from a single, user-friendly platform. So, let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process. First, ensure you're on any chart within TradingView. This is where everything begins. Once you're looking at your chosen chart, scroll down to find the Trading panel located at the bottom of the screen. This section is your control hub for interfacing directly with your brokerage account through TradingView. Take your time here to familiarize yourself with this panel, as it will play a crucial role in executing your trades. Now that you're in the trading panel, you'll see a list of available brokers that TradingView supports. Browse through this list to find your specific broker. When you spot it, simply click on the Connect button next to their name. This step is about linking your account, and it's one of the most important steps in this setup process. Upon clicking, you'll encounter a pop-up window. This isn't just any pop-up, it's the gateway to merging your TradingView platform with your broker. You will be prompted to enter your broker login credentials. Think of this as the bridge that lets TradingView communicate with your brokerage account securely. Make sure your credentials are correct, and then proceed to log in. In some cases, you might also be asked to authorize access, confirming that you're indeed granting TradingView permission to interact with your brokerage account. Follow the prompts accordingly and complete any necessary security steps your broker requires. Once the connection is successfully established, take a moment to explore what has now become available to you. The interface will update to display your account balance, providing you with real-time information on your funds. Additionally, the order ticket controls become active, allowing you immediate access to buy and sell buttons. These are your main tools for executing trades without having to switch back to your broker's platform. With these at your fingertips, placing trades becomes a seamless, intuitive process. Furthermore, you'll notice that your open positions and order history are now visible directly within TradingView's interface. This integration consolidates your trading information in one place, drastically improving the efficiency with which you can monitor and manage your trades. No more toggling between windows or waiting for updates from different platforms. It's all right there, ready for you to interact with. And that's it. You've successfully connected your broker account to TradingView. This integration is designed to streamline your trading process, allowing you to execute trades, monitor positions, and keep track of your account status all in one place. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring these features to maximize your trading strategy. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy trading.